Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I would like to guide you for new basic information about RCC footing. If you are working on construction site, if you are studying, so this important video is very helpful for you to know about the basic knowledge especially related with RCC footing. If you are new on this channel, so you may like this video and subscribe the channel. If you have already subscribed the channel, so you may like this video because this is very interesting for you people. The first one is, guys, footing size should not be less than 1 by 1 meter. Guys, you can see this is RCC footing. So the size of footing for normal residential building for G+1 should not be less than 1 meter by 1 meter. This is square footing, so the size should not be less than 1 by 1 meter. Okay, so this is very important. Inside this, guys, you can see, let me make a column. So this is column inside this footing, so the size should not be less than 1 by 1 meter. The next one is, guys, depth of the footing should be minimum 1 meter. How, guys? You can see this is RCC footing. Okay, inside this is column. The size, as we discussed before, it should not be less than 1 meter by 1 meter. Now let me make it its depth. So here, guys, you can see these dotted lines can show you the reference line. Okay, so now, guys, you can see this is its footing depth. Okay, like this. So this is the depth of footing D to the ground level, GL. So the depth of the footing should not be less than also 1 meter. Okay, this is the depth of the footing. Inside this, guys, we have steel reinforcement, etc. like this. It's depend on the structure load. According to the structure load, you can consider the steel reinforcement. So this is the second one. Depth of the footing should be minimum 1 meter. It should not be less than this. That's why, because this is minimum, okay, not the normal. The next one is, guys, diameter of steel using the footing should be maximum 12 millimeter. Inside this, guys, you can see this is footing, so we are placing steel reinforcement. Okay, main bars and distribution bars. Okay, so the dia should not be less than 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. The dia should not be less than this. Okay, this is minimum diameter for steel reinforcement, this one. Okay, next one, guys, remember for steel reinforcement especially, okay, that is, guys, spacing of bars should not be more than 0.15 meter or 6 inches center to center. If you see, guys, let me make it first. Okay, so these are steel reinforcement. So main bars and distribution bars spacing, this spacing, guys, you can see, let me hitch this. Okay, it should not be less than 6 inches. Okay, not more than 6 inches center to center, or you can say 0.15 meter, or you can say 15 centimeter, or you can say 150 millimeter. So these are the details for the spacing of main bars and distribution bars. The next one is hooks length should not be less than 7 inches. Where is the hook? So, guys, you can see this is the section. In this section, guys, this is the hook. How? Let me make it properly. So this is the foundation section. So inside this we have steel reinforcement. So first of all, we are providing the hook. Okay, so this hook, guys, you can see this one. Okay, so this hook should not be less than 7 inches. Okay, this one, this is very important. It should not be less than 7 inches. The next one is, guys, here you can see concrete cover should be 75 millimeter for all sides. How, guys? You can see at the bottom 75 millimeter, we can do the PCC 75, and left side, right side, top and bottom, all side concrete cover should not be less than 75 millimeter, or you can say 3 inches. Okay, the next one is, guys, use M20 grade concrete for footing construction. As we discussed in many videos, M20 grade concrete ratio is 1:1.5:3. This is minimum grade of concrete for RCC footing. Okay, the 8th one, guys, you can see that is for bed depth should not be less than 30 centimeter or 0.3 meter, or you can say 12 inches. 12 inches. It should not be less than this. What is bed depth, guys? You can see here. So suppose this is column, and here, guys, you can see this is footing. Okay, so here, guys, this is called bed depth. It should not be less than 12 inches. This is minimum. Inside this, guys, you can see we are providing steel reinforcement. Okay, so the bed depth should not be less than 12 inches, guys. So this is a short video to guide you for steel reinforcement, size of footing, depth of footing, spacing of main bars, distribution bars, diameter of main bars, distribution bars. So all we have related RCC footing basic information. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.